Okay, so I need some help here, folks. I just purchased this system. It's a Raid Max full ATX case. Brand new Thermaltake 600 watt power supply. Just got it last night after I was frustrated. Sound Blaster sound card. Just put in a new NVIDIA graphics card. It's just a cheapie just to test my system out. What I had in there before was Radeon. I don't remember what it is. The one that it had there was a 5650 HD or something like that. Let's see, you have two G.Skill 4 GB chips, so a total of 8 paired properly there. I connected right now currently with the VGA cord, which I switched to during my troubleshooting. But as you can see, things are running, fans are running. And the motherboard is the Asus M5A97LE R2.0. The chip I put in is a AMD FX 6300, 6-core, 3.5 gigahertz. Not sure what I'm missing. Let's see. That's pretty much it. I believe I have everything connected properly. But if I go over to the monitor that it's connected to, not posting, no video, no beeps. I'll power it down here. Takes about 4 seconds for it to power off with the power button on the Raid Max case there. And before everybody starts to ask, yes, I've gone through several different troubleshooting steps, including pulling everything out except, I've tried all kinds of different configurations and, tried one RAM chip, taken off the CPU cooler and checked all the pins on the CPU multiple times. One time I put it in there, I did notice a couple that were bent. I bent them back into place. It's all seated in there correctly now. As I stated earlier, I switched graphics cards, bought this new one, still nothing. Of course, I've taken everything out and tried all of these steps without the sound card. I also had a little network card there for like a fax line. What else? I have two hard drives that I had pulled out of the computer I was trying to replace. The top one here, which is in connected with the SATA cable. That one has Windows 7 loaded onto it, and everything that we had basically from the previous computer is on that one. A lot of media and other things are on the second one. Just also bought a new DVD drive, optical drive, as the old ones were all IDE connections, and this motherboard doesn't support that. You can see, just turned it on there, and fans, the motherboard light there is glowing. I know it's hard to see from the video. There, you can see it a little better. All the fans are running. The GPU fan is running. The cooler fan and front and rear fans, everything is running. So yeah, I mean, I've tried all these troubleshooting steps, pulling things out, putting things in, tried the little CMOS jumper, pulled the motherboard battery out and put it back in. Let's see, I don't know if this will come out too well here, but I was watching a video that someone else had posted about the BIOS version not supporting the specific CPU he had, and when he got it flashed to the updated BIOS, everything started working. I don't know if I am going to have that problem. I was about to go check that on the ASUS website, but from everything I can see, and I did my research beforehand, the CPU I purchased should match well with the motherboard and the RAM, and everything's compatible. And I've gone ahead and since that thrown a bunch of new parts at it, including this power supply. So my conclusion is either that it could be that the BIOS needs to be flashed for me and updated, or the motherboard could be bad. I do live in Phoenix, Arizona, and the delivery people left the box sitting in the heat in front of my door step, so when I found it, everything was pretty hot. I don't know if that's something that could affect all of this or not. The only thing I ordered online originally was the CPU, the motherboard, and the memory. Everything else was out of my older computer, and since then I have, like I said, purchased a new power supply, tried the new graphics card, which obviously that's not it, so I'm going to take that back tomorrow. The motherboard and the CPU and the RAM I purchased off Newegg. So yeah, I'm not sure what else to do. I know a lot of people have experienced frustrations with one or multiple pieces, being DOA or what have you. But I've tested everything. I've tried just about every suggestion off every forum, and still nothing. So either it's a dead motherboard or dead CPU, or I have no way of really testing anything else. There are no beeps, even though I connected the audio. And yeah, I've tried connecting the audio cable back there to both the onboard audio. Also tried connecting the little HD audio connector for the case so that it would work with those inputs on top of the case. I've tried plugging in my speakers there. I've tried the speakers with the sound card that I have. I'm not sure where else I would be hearing beeps from. I don't know if there's some kind of speaker I can connect internally or what, but no beeps, no video, no post. So if anybody can help me out, I would greatly appreciate it. Hope this video hasn't been too long. If you need more specs, I'll post it along with the video. But next step is to try and contact ASUS support. If I can't resolve anything there, I might just have to return one piece at a time until I figure out what's going on. I'm probably gonna try requesting a replacement from Newegg for the motherboard first. If that doesn't work, then I'll try the chip, the CPU. That still doesn't work, then I guess I'll try the RAM. I mean, I just don't know. So leave your comments. I greatly appreciate it. And yeah, thanks for watching.